just wanted to update you guys on, and girls, on a few things and some changes that I'm gonna start doing in my videos. Maybe using, not maybe, using some stop motion photography just to spice things up a little bit. Did you catch that pun? I just want to show you around my kitchen, my tiny kitchen. Hang on, you'll see. So I've always struggled with filming in my kitchen because the light is not that great. The way I'm facing now is where I get the best light. We only have one window in this townhouse, which is very small, and everything is all clustered together. Like the kitchen, the living room area is over here, and then back behind the camera would be our eating area. Most times I'm over by the window doing my food videos and carrying food from the kitchen over to that area, and everything just becomes a mess. I'm still gonna do it there because the light is great. Sometimes I just wanna be in front of the camera. So to solve the issue that I had, I purchased this rolling kitchen cart so I could work here right in front of the camera and be able to move around the kitchen and, you know, get things that I need, stuff like that. I don't know why I did that. Stop. Anyway, I just want to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Whether you just watch it for a few minutes or watch the whole way through, whether you found me through a YouTube search or just stumbled upon me somehow or it was recommended, thank you. I want you to know that I really appreciate that, and I really do enjoy making these videos. And I've always used to be into stop motion photography and videos. Back when Vine was really popular a few years ago, I used to make stop motion food videos, and they did really well, and some of them got millions of views. Because I was doing so well, Vine decided, we're gonna shut you down. And I just kind of stopped them because there wasn't really a platform to do that on, and I thought it would be great to incorporate them into some of my cooking videos because it's just, I don't know, I just feel like it's visually appealing to people. I like it, and it looks like magic, and I feel like that's what you need when you're making a video, is a little magic. Just gonna quickly show you like a shot of the cart. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all the YouTube things, and click on the bell to get notified of new videos if that's what you're into. And don't forget to check out kitchenprescription.com, where I have a food and lifestyle blog where you can find more recipes, photography, articles, all that fun stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys soon.